Captain Vega, I hear there is a case you want me to take a look at.
Yes, and I'm sorry, Dr. Roberts. I didn't realize it was your day off.
Not a problem. Looks like it's yours too.
I'm looking to get some answers.
For the family.
That's right.
All right. 50-year-old African-American male. Patient was unresponsive when you arrived on scene. Signs of rigor, lividity.
At first, I thought sudden stroke, but there were no indicators. Most likely an aneurysm. I mean, you can see from his medical history, he was healthy. And if there had been a chronic issue, I'm fairly certain I would have spotted it.
This is your husband.
Yes,
I'm so sorry.
thank you. We have two very precocious little girls at home. They're gonna have questions.
I understand. Captain Vega, is there someone you can call?
I called you.
I'm gonna get you your answers, Captain. Captain Vega, I don't think you should be here while I do this.